Hello everyone, you are on the Mr. Octopus channel. Today you will find out how to use Just Eat Credit Refund. Let's go! You cancelled the order, but the refund came in credits. What to do? Open Just Eat. Sign in. Open account. Make sure you have credits. You can't exchange them. You can use them for the next order. Choose restaurant. Make an order. Select payment method. Use your credit balance. Now you know how to use Just Eat Credit Refund. Thanks for watching, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel.